National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Starr County in deep South Texas until 1:00 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alsace, moving at 20 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, softball signs, hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured and may be killed. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, windows and property. Mobile homes and poorly constructed homes may be destroyed. Some vehicles may be declared a total loss. Locations impacted include Alsace, Santa Catarina, and Diamond Ranch Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather